For other videos or problems like this for Intro to Stat Methods for Business, you can go to Sarai Studies, link is in the description box below. As I was saying, when it comes to fitting and forecasting, just like we had the linear regression and the quadratic models, now we have the linear trend and the quadratic trend models. What's the difference? The only difference is that this time we are recoding the years, as in if we have the years 2001, 2002, 2003, then we're just going to recode them. We're just going to give them a code of 0, 1, and 2, and so on. So if I just drag this down, this is called our coded years. And the reason why we do this, well, let's look at what happens to our summary output if we just use the regular years. So let's go to data analysis. If you don't have that button, I will link a video in the description box below to show you how to pull that up. Click regression, click OK. Your Y range should be your revenues. It's always going to be anything but your time. And your X range is going to be your years. We're going to include the labels. So click labels. Output range is where we want our output to be, and click OK. Now, if we wanted to come up with an equation, right, a model that will predict the revenues for, years after 2019, we would have to use this intercept and this slope for those years. But guess what? These are the wrong numbers because this summary is using these years in its calculation. So what we do is we code the years so we get the correct output. So we're going to do this one more time. So data analysis, regression, and this time our X value is not going to be the regular years, it's going to be our coded years. And then we're just going to change our output cell, make it this one, and click OK. Now, this over here is our correct values. So if I were to make an equation, y hat is equal to, remember baby, bow bee, so this is my bow, this is my bee, so equal to this plus this times coded year, whatever, the X variable is. So if I want to predict, let's say, the revenues for 2020, then I would use its coded year, which is 19, and I would go down here and be like, okay, y hat, which is really just revenues estimated for 2020 is going to be equal to this plus this times the coded year, which is 19, equal, and that's 53.4. If we were to use these numbers in our model, then our answer, our estimated revenues, would be completely off. So that is why we use coded years, and it's going to be the same thing for the quadratic model, which we will see in the next video.